Hi, good evening. We're going to buy a Popeyes here in Prospect. This is Prospect, right? If I'm not mistaken. Right? This is Prospect.
Oo.
So you're the one who's going to order. Okay? Make sure your English is very good. So
Pabiling manok.
they can
Labing
understand
dalawa.
you.
12 pieces chicken.
How many
Chicken
pieces?
wings. Chicken wings. 12 pieces. Chicken wings.
Which one of the wings?
Hot and spicy.
You need the whole wings or you need the ghost pepper, sweet and spicy?
Sweet and,
Only bar-
sweet and spicy.
Sorry, no sweet and spicy at this time. We have ghost pepper
Awesome.
or the garlic parmesan or Pizza Hut.
Okay. 3 piece only combo.
3-piece chicken.
Yeah, combo. Spicy.